Hi, I'm Karon Thackston of MarketingWords.com. Did you know that storytelling is one of the most powerful, best converting marketing techniques? If you don't have a handle on using stories in your marketing, stick around. I've got 3 quick tips that will show you how to capture the magic of stories in all your marketing. Did you know that storytelling lights up your brain with a chemical reaction, builds likability and trust, and makes your brand more memorable and relatable? And the stories you use don't have to be long. Look at this social post from Nat Geo. It's only around 120 words, but it tells a quick story that nature lovers find fascinating. You don't even have to write the stories yourself. Let your customers do it, like the Patagonia clothing company did on its website. You can use short stories to tease readers or viewers. Just give some of the facts and withhold the good part, then send traffic to your site for the rest. Or use visual stories like videos to express your brand. Farmers Insurance wants to be known as a friendly, fun-loving insurance company, so theirs include funny stories about strange claims they've paid over the years. Is 3 storytelling tips not enough? Stick around, I've got 3 more for you. You don't have to start creating stories from scratch either. Using storytelling templates makes it way easier to fill in some blanks and be done. In fact, I have a set of 9 storytelling templates for you that you can scoop up right now for just $14.99. Now, here's 3 more storytelling tips. Stories don't have to be long or short. They can be any length you need. Here are 2 email examples. The first uses just 8 sentences to communicate a compelling story of how big-name entrepreneurs would make money if they had to start all over again from scratch. The second one is part of a longer sales email. The story section has 5 paragraphs and a short bullet list. Then it segues into a sales pitch for a downloadable product. Super easy for you to do. You can also use stories to kick off conversations, whether in the comments section of a blog post or podcast or on social media. Stories capture attention and draw people in so they want to connect with you. And lastly, for tip number 6, use a variety of story formats. Stories are so flexible that they can be used on video, like this GoPro story of a firefighter who saved a baby kitten from a fire. Or this About Us page that describes the owner's struggle to find a good-fitting swimsuit that wouldn't malfunction when playing on the beach or at the pool. You can also use full-length stories in blog or podcast format. It's easy to handle all the details and make a story your followers will connect with, especially if you use story templates. And you don't even have to start from scratch. Get 9 storytelling templates that are proven to convert. Easy to just fill in the blanks, rinse and repeat, and then increase your revenue. They're great for stories about your brand, About Us pages, products or services, blog posts, podcasts, social media, video, emails, testimonials, and a whole lot more. The Storytelling Templates for Marketing Pack is sold on my website every day for $25. But when you use coupon code STORYTEMPS, you can scoop it up for just $14.99. Click to marketingwords.com/storytemps. marketingwords.com/storytemps, or you can scroll down to the description section for a clickable link. I'm Karon Thackston with marketingwords.com. Be sure to leave me any questions you have in the comments section, and we'll talk more about story templates for marketing.